This is my next project with my little buddy here, Jake. Huh, buddy? 65 Chevy Biscayne. I actually put it in a shop about 2 years ago with a guy named Steve Wakus. He took me for $8,500 and never got my money back. And this is the way she sits. If you ever do trust that guy, think twice. This is what you end up getting. I will finish it myself. I've tried with a couple of people, but it never happened. One being one of my brothers, I won't mention his name. He's the one that got me tied up with this fool. It will get done though, guarantee you. And she will be badass.